everybody, today we're going to be scrambling.
Cold? You can go back in if you want. Yeah?
Hi everybody. We're in the tag.
Taking in some rays. Want some jelly babies. Hello there. It's been a while, a long while. Probably 6 months, but we're back out in the glorious Lake District, and it is really glorious. We've picked a good day to start. That might be a bit of an indication, a bit of a clue as to where we are. Say hello, Ollie.
Hi.
You looking forward to a day out?
Yeah.
What are we doing? Where are we
That's
going?
Red Screes over there.
Oh, you've just given a huge clue away. Telling Red Screes is behind us. And so yes, we're off on our first camp of 2025. Ollie's dead excited. His bag's not doing too well. It's being held together with a carabiner. But we are going up to somewhere around about High Street, up via Stony, Cove, Pike, and seeing what we can fit in around there. And hopefully it stays like this. It's about 15 degrees, I think. A little bit of wind, but nothing. So yeah, really looking forward to it. Already puffing.
Seen a black sheep.
Is it done? I'm not used to it. What have you seen?
Seen a black sheep and a grey sheep, and he just went under the fence. That's by up there.
So all flavours of sheep have been identified already.
That man wasn't telling lies.
Why? What did he say?
Said there's a lot of scrambling to get up there.
He wasn't wrong, was he?
Nope.
There is a path there if you want to use it.
There.
To your left.
I know. Well, there's another path over here. But it's another scrambling route. Is that good, Daddy?
If you like it.
What?
If you like it more. As long as you're confident with it.
I get it there.
Do you think you can?
You?
If you think you can, then do it. Well, it lasted a while this time. He carried the bag up past that St Raven's Crag or whatever it's called. Obviously I've got it now, but yeah, he's loving being back out. It's a glorious day. A bit windy when you get out in the exposed bits, But as soon as you get a little bit of protection, it's nice and calm. We're just making our way up now onto Stony Cove Pike. Can't imagine what this would have been like a couple of months ago, like. Very wet, but it's dried out nicely. There he is, a little tyke. He's doing well, aren't you?
Yeah, but my boots on.
He's a bit fed up now that the scrambling sections are finished. He was relishing. You are? Yeah, you can talk about your football. He's commentating on imaginary games and getting me to guess the score. Usual banter. What have you found?
Wait, Jesus' cross. Look. Jesus has a cross.
Ah, so he does. I think that's called John Bell's monument. So there must be a guy buried there called John Bell. Must have died on the mountain or being a local man or something. We'll have to find out, won't we?
Might have been a mountaineer.
Yeah, he could have been a mountaineer.
John who?
John Bell.
John Bell.
Good evening. We've had our food. Well, we've had our main course anyway. Haven't had our chocolate brownie, salted caramel chocolate brownie yet. But this is our setup. We're just looking back down over Ullswater. Holly's just in there. I need to tighten things up a little bit before we get our heads down. But it is cold. Like I wasn't expecting it to be red hot, but it's probably a good just a couple over. Obviously going to get colder still. So yeah, tomorrow we have got to make our way up there onto the trig point. That's Thornthwaite Crag, and then over the top on the high street there, and then I think we'll probably come back and we'll make our way onto Grey Crag and then all the way back around from where we came.
Hi everybody. Where are the tags?
Slept well, didn't you, Alls? Really well. You did pick a bit of a dodgy pitch though.
Yeah.
I asked you if it was flat. And it wasn't really.
It was flat.
It might have been on your side, it wasn't on my side.
Well, it was flat on my side.
Was it? Oh, well, I'm glad for you. So anyway, looks like the sun's coming up. Should we have a little look outside?
Yeah.
See what we've got to...
Probably.
Oh, here we go. Oh.
Whoa.
That's not bad, is it? That's not bad at all. He set himself a challenge at the bottom of the hill to get up here for 9. I said he wouldn't be able to do it. Just about did. Whew. It's a big one, that, isn't it? I don't think you'll be getting to the top of that one. Come on and go and get number 76. There it is, the man's standing on it. Do you want some jelly babies?
Don't like jelly babies.
What?
What?
You don't like jelly babies?
Yeah,
What's wrong with you?
No.
Hartsop.
Hartsop
It's quite a common name in the lakes.
Dodd.
Are you going to get there before me?
Yeah, like Dodd is probably, well, Dodd's probably the mountain the most ending. There's Styborough Dodd, there's Hartsop Dodd, there's which other Dodds is there?
Rest Dodd.
West Dodd, there's West
Middle Dodd.
Middle Dodd,
Great Dodd.
Great Dodd. I don't think there's any more than 6 Dodds.
I think the one that's probably the most common ending is probably something like Crag.
Oh crap, yeah.
Right, what number is this?
I'll say 78.
78.
Thought I was going to say 79 for a second there.
It's going to be a bit of a sprint to get back down, you know.
Yeah, I know it's going to be a bit of a sprint to get back down.
Well done, mate.
Number 78.
We've just come down from there, haven't we, Ollie?
Yeah.
That was a steep descent. What did you think of it?
Good.
Good, but a bit hard.
Yeah. Have you looked?